Hi everyone. As part of today's session, I will cover file handling in Python. Um, so I have created one file, okay, which python.txt. So let me remove the content from this file. So this file is empty now, okay, and I want to write something in this file using file handling, okay. So first, uh, s- so there are few steps. So first step is first you need to open the file uh, using open method. So Python provides open method. Using open method, you can open the file, and the first open method takes two parameters. Okay, the first parameter is path of the file, and second parameter is mode. If you want to write into the file, then second parameter you have to pass w. If you want to read from the file, then you have to pass r. So first I will explain writing some data into file. Okay. So in this path, right, python.txt. So this is the actual file. This file is exist, and there is no content, okay, inside in this file. So I want to so open method, just now I explained, right? First parameter, it will take a parameter and path as a parameter, and second parameter is mode. So I want to write into file, so I'm passing second parameter as w, and I'm just the file is one variable, and uh, which is of file, which is nothing but file only. And if you want some data into the file, then you have opened it, right? Now you can write data into file, and whatever you want to write, right, write method, file dot write method will and you have to pass what content you want to write in parameters of write function. Okay, so I want to write Python is a high level language. Okay, so this content I want to write in file, a python txt file. Okay, then I wrote this information in write, and once this write method executes, it will open the already file is open, it will just write content whatever passed as a parameter to write method to the file. And last step is you have to close the file using close method. Okay, and if you I handle this exception because if file is not existing in the path, right, we have to handle the exception. So this file is exist, right, so I will not get any exception. So let me run this program. Let me clear the output first, and running. Okay, so I'm not printing anything, I just opened the file and I wrote into the file, right? So let me go to file. I can see whatever I'm content mentioned in write method, same content I'm able to see in python text file. So file is opened, and using write method, whatever parameter passed as a text, right, same text I'm able to see in python.txt file. So this is how we can write content into the file. Okay, so next I will explain how to read from the file. So I will read same file because I have written some so this file have some content now, and I will read python.txt. Okay, so let me first comment out write method, otherwise it will write once again same content. Okay, Let me uncomment reading from file. And so what read how to read file is same. You have to open the file, and you have to open method, right, takes two parameters. First parameter is a path of the file. So I gave the path of python txt file which have some content to read, and second parameter you have to provide the mode. So I'm reading from the file, right? So I have to pass second parameter as r. So to write, sorry, to read from the file, um, whatever variable is assigned against open method, right, same variable you have to use, and uh, you have to call read method. Okay, so you are reading, so you are not passing any parameter. Okay, you are just reading the file, and this read method returns content of uh, file of this path. So this file have some content, right? Python is high level language, I can see this content in this file. So read method will return content of this file, and I'm storing the file content in content variable, and I'm printing content, whatever read from the file, right, I'm just printing it. And at the end I am closing the file. Okay, so let me execute and see whether I will get content. I'm printing content, right? So I will get same content whatever present in this file, I will get or not, we'll see. Okay, let me execute once again. Okay, so if you see carefully, see this print statement, print file contains, and python is high level language. So this content, right, this content is initialized from read method. Read method reads the file, right? So file, this file python txt, so python txt have this content, so same content I am able to see in output. Okay, so using read method you can read content from file. And at the end, last step is you have to close the file. So this is how you can open, write data into the file, and read content from file. That's it from today's session. Thank you, bye.